So this is the Canvas app that's built into Chrome. You just go to canvas.apps.google, and it's got some really nice art tools. It's more of a paint program. This one started from an image, and it's locked this image on the background layer. So layers is a nice feature of this, but you have a lot of color options, and you have a lot of different drawing options of setting different sizes and different effects, from the colored pencil to the pen. And you can turn layers on and off, and you can set things on new layers, and that allows you to do things like layer in some shading like this with the pencil tool, and have that be not wrecking anything underneath it. So if you don't like the shading that you do and you erase it, you're only erasing the shading and you're not erasing the color underneath it. So this allows for a little bit more control over this in terms of creating more of an art product. And the layers is a really nice feature.